Daniel Padilla talks about future plans with Catherine Bernardo. Daniel Padilla has discussed the topic of marriage and settling down with his girlfriend Catherine Bernardo. He is level-headed about it and aware that it's something that requires careful preparations. The 28-year-old shared what he wanted to do first before taking the plunge with his longtime real and real-life partner. Let's take it easy, nice and slow. 'Di ba? Kailangan natin galawin ang ating chessboards ng tama. Huwag natin madaliin ang mga bagay kasi nga ito pa lang sa dami naming gagawin. Daniel said, also referring to the successive films he's about to take on soon after. So, tapusin muna natin to, lalo na at magre-renew pa kami with the BCBN. So, latagan natin ng maigi, tapos next level na. Yung wala ka nang iniisip, hindi yung mag next level tapos ang dami naming pinupukpok. Alam mo yon, ang hirap pagsabay-sabayin, so latagan lang natin ng maigi. His thoughts were aligned with Catherine's past pronouncement about the matter. She previously explained that getting married is still a long way up for them. She said that they are currently at the peak of their careers and, in the case of the 27-year-old actress, she has financial responsibilities like building a house. She also acknowledged that it's not the right time yet, but it is open likely talking about it. Danielle, respects my timing din sa akin. Alam ko rin na di pa ako ready. She said on the sidelines of her solo project, The Dark Comedy, A Very Good Girl, which last month breached the 100 million pesos mark in box office and has since been screened in the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the UK, the UAE, and Asian countries like Malaysia and Cambodia. Danielle has been incredibly supportive from the moment Catherine began working on her solo project. He has become a crucial sounding board for the actress. Sinabi ko before, si Catherine yung may hawak ng bola ngayon, and for her to shoot it, binuhay rin niya ang mundo ng pelikula. No one else can do it, only my girlfriend. Catherine can do it. Saludo lang tayo sa kanya. Let's just salute her. Yun naman hindi nagsasabi ng maganda sa industriya, wala na silang masasabi sa kanya. However, he also made it clear that he doesn't interface. Of course, I don't really get too involved. That's how we are. We respect each other's boundaries. Like for her film, I'm more in the background. So side mo na ako. Syempre, ikaw kasi ito, spotlight mo ito. Sa'yo lahat, dito lang ako nasa dilim, nakabantay. Asked if he felt any pressure to be independent of each other, Daniel said, "What is pressure? Pag na-pressure ka, may pinanggagalingan na negative yon. Sa amin wala. Ano ang ibibigay? Ah, I'm happy, I'm thankful, parang ano pa kung patunayan. Alam mo yon, at the end of the day, pag nabigay mo lahat, pag mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, and you're proud of it, whatever is the outcome, nasa Diyos na yon, and nasa tao, public na yon." Maraming salamat sa panonood ng ating video. Sa ulit, Philippine Update.